Use discount code JACOVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
Look like he came out like a 5-day coma. No hairbrush.
Y'all in line or?
No, man.
Oh, go smell them, man. They stink.
Let's let it sit for about 2 minutes. You give me a good intro and all that.
Yeah, you did me last year. I had 4 Soundcube HDC4s in here on 2 pure 7Ks.
Yes, I remember that.
Yeah, I had 2 7500s in here, but I blew one.
You did? Oh, okay.
So, yeah, I had a speaker terminal block shorted out, the screws, one of my
Really?
screws backed out, and it shorted full tilt, burned up.
Man. So what all's in here now, equipment-wise?
I got 4 ZV515s, same enclosure. I got 2 custom electric CES 80 amp hour LTO batteries in here now, so that's about the only changes I made.
Okay.
And I'm only on 17500 wired at half right now.
Okay. What about the specs of the box?
It's around, after displacement, it's about 18 cubic feet, and it's tuned at 32.
All right.
I'll give you a little bit something with a little mid bass, and then I'll give you something a little bit.
Sure, man.
Well, this is 28 to 35, so we'll call it.
What did you meter?
I have not metered it.
No?
I might play around with it today.
Okay.
Man.
I see you sealed off some.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
Every little bit helps.
Oh, yes, sir.
Solid, too.
They're not even broke in yet.
Okay.
I'll give you something a little bit lower.
Really? Okay. Wow. Baseballing, that was really good, man. That was awesome.
Jesus Christ, put your hair back
Man,
up, bud.
you look like you just got done having like 8 hours of
She wanna ride.
Dude, that was awesome, man. I thank you. Appreciate it. And they're not even broken in.
No. I probably got about maybe 4 or 5 hours to play time on, man.
So once you're going to go up in power too, aren't you? You think?
Once I get by the 75, I got to
Okay. Awesome, man. Well, thank you, man.
Yes, sir, man. Y'all have a good one.
You too. Thank you, man. That was awesome. I'm gonna go check out the amps.
Yes, sir.
Have a good day.
Pull off for a second.
Yeah, man, sure.
I'll make charge up.
Excuse me. I'm sorry. Checking out the back. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVIRAL when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.